Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and we are here today with our very first Anti-Valentine manicure. I've never done one before, but we're going to do one. On our nails, we have got watercolor. Opaque and jelly, the pink, the fuchsia. They're both by Chica. This is a fuchsia watercolor. This is it's a neon. And I have the opaque red. I did dilute a little bit with water, especially on this nail. I diluted the red a lot, the best that I could, because it was so much. And then our pieces here, our Anti-Valentine pieces, are by BRC Nails, tipsxpieces.com. So go check her out. These are 2 for 99 cents each. You can get the 2 bleeding hearts, the 2 roses. There's more colors than these right here. Got a dark red, and then like a mauve, a dark mauve color, or a dark purple, whichever way you want to call it. But I'm loving these. Of course, I got my bling from my bling box that I got for Christmas. So excited to have that. I got my rhinestone glue that we're going to use to hold these all on. I'm going to top coat first with my No Light Top Coat by Jill Beauty. So we're going to put this on. We're not going to cure it. So we're going to be adding our bling. We'll be adding some rhinestone glue to a couple of the nails. But the nails with the bleeding hearts and roses, those I do want to cure though. I just don't want those to be uncured when I put the bling on, or the roses and stuff. Oh, I can't talk. Stuff on. Look how glossy these look. So glossy. Look how pretty. Look how pretty that looks. So these 2 I'm going to cure. Guess I should plug the lamp in. Did you guys see that ad on the news where they're saying the lamps can cause cancerous mutation? It kind of freaks me out. Kind of freaks me out. Where's my dotting tool? Uh-oh. That's what I want to use to pick my bling up with. Or my rhinestone glue. And then, oh, there it is. I got it. I got it. Okay, here we go. We're going to use this to pick up our... I gotta feel the nail. You know me, I gotta feel it. Well, it's not the end I want. Oh my goodness, I need my flashlight for this. Let me get that out. Alrighty, we are back. Wipe this off. That's what I want to use. Okay. Now I'm going to put in a liberal amount. Should have used the brush. On here because I'm holding on to the cross. Or that's a cross. Why would I put a cross on here? God forgive me. I'm going to be putting on the bleeding heart and the rose. Oh, this is big enough. And the bleeding heart. Shoot. I gotta, whoops. This is not quite going as planned. slipping and sliding. If I can get the heart on. And I can secure the other two in a second. Don't stare at the flashlight. So, let me cure these under here like this. Sorry I'm putting you all through this. It's gotta be done. This is real time. I'm gonna pop her in the lamp. Sorry if I flip that light in your eyes. I'm gonna pop her in the lamp. Go for our next nail. Oops. Okay. Look at how they were on that nail. I don't want them the same order. I don't want them in the same order. Let me get my flashlight. I hope I'm in frame. I hope I was in frame. Make the flashlight on the charms. I guess you might call these Kawaii charms for Anti-Valentines. I don't rightly know. Brandy, chime in please. Are these considered Kawaii charms? Because they are oversized. Or no? Because I don't rightly know. I don't rightly know. So we're going to pop this one in the lamp as well. Put in there for 60. Okay, these nails here, we're going to do one at a time. I'm going to be putting some rhinestone glue down here as well. Whoops. As well. Then I'm going to put, I call it the teardrop shaped gem bling. Oh, I can't see. I can't see. And then we're going to get some bling. Pop around down the nail. Oh, work with me here. Work with me here. Kind of quiet, aren't I? So what do we think? It's shiny, at least in real time, it's awful shiny. So I'm going to pop her in the lamp now. Give a 60-second cure. Let's go on to our next nail. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to repeat this on the thumb and the middle finger. I'm not going to make you sit through it all. We got the teardrop shape bling at the top. The second size down of the AB crystals here. That's what we're going to do. I won't make you sit through it all, so I'll pause and I'll be back. I think they look marvelous. I really do. I think these are really super cute. I'm really digging them. Brandy Good Eye on the pieces. As always, visit brcnailstipsxpieces.com. Use my code CherieBaby10 to save yourself 10% off. I'll put that across the bottom of the screen for those of you who don't know how to spell my name or want to remember the code. And as always, they're down in the description box. I think this is so pretty. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my anti-Valentine's Day manicure, my bleeding hearts and the roses and the bling. Can't forget the bling. Can't forget the bling. I think those are pretty. They're just really shiny. So let me comment. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos and anything important that may come across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.